Well, my dear, I'm going to talk about Jamaican proverbs today. Yes, you know, we have plenty of Jamaican proverbs, you know. Our Jamaican philosophy. Philosophy, of course. So philosophy sounds like a big word now, but that's what we have in our proverbs. Great philosophy. Like cotton tree tumble down, dog jump over it. You know what that means? When the mighty has fallen, the lowly can take advantage. You see, that is true or that? Yes, man. And then think of this one now. So cow grow so him nose all open. Means that so you grow, so you improve in knowledge. Yes, as we get older, we get more knowledgeable. Yes, man. Then now we have all kinds of course, howdy and Tenky Bruk no square. That means to say howdy do and to say thank you doesn't harm anyone. Bruk no square, it doesn't break a square, you know, a nice thing. Then now we have this one that say, when trouble take man, Pickney boot fit him. Hey, when a man is in trouble, he will attempt the impossible. Pickney boot fit him. Hey. Now I'm going to tell you some verses that really illustrate this little proverb. When trouble take man, Pickney boot fit him, and that is true. For me prove it a day with Sister Mary Pickney Sue. She come on me yard pan a crying, so she lost her job as nurse. She no got nowhere to sleep and only 2 bit in her purse. Me take her in and me buy some load. And me pack one bankrupt well. And me carry a street next morning fi go learn her how to sell. You understand that? You see now, this nurse girl, she lost her job. So she went to her auntie who was a higgler woman. Now auntie only knew how to higgler. So she said, well, you have got to come and do what I do. That's the only thing I can teach you. So she packed one bankrupt well. And she carry a street next morning to go learn her how to sell. Me start fi holla. Pumpkin pear, ripe plantain going poo. Me got breadfruit. Hear the gal back at me. Me too. The girl, you know, she was a little scratches, you know, what I call dudefatic. So she couldn't call out the name. She says, me too. Me stop little. Then me call again. Ripe plantain going poo, me got breadfruit and banana. Hear the gal again. Me too. Well, the first time I did feel for laugh. But now me temper flame. I say, gal, shut up your me too and call out the food them name. Any food they name me too, gal. And another thing too. Posing people hear you that say me too and think say me that sell you. Girl, you want to get me in a trouble? Like a how me bad lucky. You want policeman arrest me for walk and sell smaddy? Mrs. she start pan a crying. I said, girl, stop shed your tear. If I didn't know I saw you soft, I would have said if you ripe here. Hey, massa. She start cry, what's wrong? Me just get vexed and me ball. Girl, turn back, go back home here, don't follow me at all. She turned back and me go on my ways. Business wasn't so bad. When me get home, me hear the gal sing, and I go on like say she glad. Me turn up peachless. The gal basket was torn empty. Me up me mouth when me see her trade bag full up her money. Hear her to me. Me call out, mama. Though me don't like higgling, but when trouble take man, Pickney boot fit him. So me sell off everything. Hey, you see that? Trouble take man. We have another one like that, you know what say? Before me tumble down me whole Macka. Hey.